Very good evening, friends. Meeting again in the session of Materia Medica. And today we're going to learn one of the important remedy from the fourth year syllabus and from exam point of view as well as from practice point of view is Rumex Crispus. It is a remedy from the plant kingdom. The common name is yellow dock. It is a family is Polygonaceae. This remedy I have used n number of times, specifically in cold season, whenever the cough starts, and whenever cough starts just because of cold draft, the children, generally children are the first important patients, but even youngsters as well as the old persons who used to suffer from the cough and which is dry of a character and which is because of the irritation in the throat. They say that cough comes from right from throat, and there is a lot of irritation inside the cough, inside the throat, causing a causing patient to cough a lot. He wants to vomit, he wants to expectorate, but nothing comes out, and there is a continuous irritation inside the throat, causing a very severe dry cough, hacking cough, exhausting cough that indicates the Rumex. It has few time modalities. Specifically, it aggravates at night 11 p.m. That is one important modality where you, when the patient tries to touch the bed, it gets aggravated. As well as there is one common modality which goes in close association with Kali's families. That is 2 to 4 a.m. is the another time of aggravation, specifically with this Rumex Crispus. So I have used many times this remedy for the purpose of this dry cough. Whenever there is, it gets aggravated because of the draft of cold air, and suddenly it used to produce that. Second important thing for which I have used this remedy is the urticaria or itching. Prurigo. It is called as prurigo or pruritus. And generally, this pruritus or prurigo, which is aggravated specifically in cold air. And second important thing, aggravation after meat. There are two remedies. Urticaria after the meat, antim crude is one important remedy, but this is second where you can get the pruritus or prurigo after giving the after eating the meat. This is one of the important remedy for that. So two important indications on these two important indications, I used to prescribe many times the Rumex if anti-crude doesn't work. There is one common thing which is there in sulfur and Rumex, that the itching gets aggravated by scratching and patient goes on scratching it a lot. Very severe irritation is there in the skin and patient goes on scratching it a lot. That is second important thing for which I have used the Rumex many times. And third important thing for which I have considered this remedy is for the specifically GI symptoms. It is a good remedy for the pregnancy vomiting as well as where there is a anemia developed during that time. This is one important remedy. The chronic gastritis, the jaundice, they can be settled with the help of that. And it has very typical, if it has a retrosternal burning along with pain in the left breast or left chest, that is the characteristic of this remedy. So these are three indications for which I have considered this remedy many a times in my practice. First, very commonly with the respiratory complaints, the upper respiratory tract infection. So let us open your Boericke Materia Medica, open the remedy, the Rumex Crispus, the yellow dog. It is characterized by pains, numerous and varied, neither fixed nor constant anywhere. Cough is caused by incessant tickling in the throat pit, which tickling runs down to the bifurcation of bronchial tubes. Touching the throat pit brings on the cough. This is the theme of the patient says, doctor, when I touch this area, finished. I used to start getting the cough. Very sensitive the throat pit and at the same time the throat irritation. Worse from least cold air, so that all cough ceases by covering up all the body and head with the bedclothes. Rumex diminishes the secretion of mucous membranes, at the same time exalts sensibility of mucous membranes. uh, of the larynx and trachea. Its action upon the skin is marked, producing an intense itching. Lymphatics are enlarged and secretions are perverted. So it used to produce very typical action. It stops the secretion of mucous membranes. It it is the remedy which is very useful, having the specific action on the skin with intense itching. And last thing which he explains over there, the lymphatics are enlarged. Whenever there is a skin infection, it used to produce the enlargement of the lymphatics. That is one important feature one should not forget with Rumex. Stomach symptoms. Stomach symptoms, the tongue sore at the edges, coated, sensation of hard substance in the pit of stomach, hiccup, pyrosis, nausea, cannot eat meat. It causes eructations and pruritus. So meat is intolerant. That is very, very specific for this Rumex. Jaundice after excessive use of alcoholics, chronic gastritis, aching pain in the pit of stomach and shooting in the chest, extending towards the throat pit, worse any motion or talking. Pain in the left breast after meals and flatulence. So very specific remedy for the gastritis. Meat aggravates, cannot tolerate the meat in any form. It used to produce severe pain in the pit of stomach, then it runs upwards or it runs toward the left side of the chest. These are the common features which are presenting features of this Rumex crispus. Respiratory, the nose is dry. Tickling in throat pit causes the cough. Copious mucus discharge from the nose and tracheum. Whatever is given in italics in Boericke has a lot of significance. It is clinically verified symptoms. Dry teasing cough, preventing sleep, aggravated by pressure, talking, and especially by inspiring cool air and at night. The thin, watery, frothy expectoration by mouthful, later stringy and tough. Rawness of larynx and trachea. So very severe rawness, larynx and trachea with irritation over there, tickling and a cough. Soreness behind sternum, especially left side in the region of left shoulder. Raw pain under the clavicle, lump in the throat. So there is sensation of lump in the throat like Abies nigra. This is the one more remedy where you can get over there. Stools, they are brown, watery diarrhea early in the morning with cough, driving him out of bed. Valuable advanced thesis. This remedy is from tubercular miasm. The tubercular diathesis, it is a deep acting remedy. It is not an acute remedy only, but it has very specific deep action. So diathesis is always tubercular, where lymphatics gets involved over there. So second important thing, advanced thesis, specifically of intestine, you must think. The other remedies common, Seneca, pulsatilla, lycopodium, arsenic. Then some few remedies which are having morning diarrhea like sulfur, the aloes, the podophyllum. These are again very common remedies for the morning diarrhea. Itching of the anus with sensation as of stick in the rectum. So this is again one more important feature, the fissures in ano, the piles, the hemorrhoids. This remedy is its action. It is like a bryonia, it is like cholinsonia, it is like retania. The features are very close to it. Skin. So skin symptoms, see what he says. Intense itching of the skin, especially of lower extremities, worse exposure to cold air and aggravated when undressing. That is very, very, very important feature. Urticaria contagious prurigo. Prurigo is nothing but the itchy tendency. Modalities worse in the evening from inhaling cold air, left chest and uncovering. So this is what the Rumex crispus. Let us see the relationship. Compare the causticum, sulfur, belladonna, Rumex. Rumex contains chrysorphenic acid to which the skin symptoms corresponds. So chrysorphenic acid, that is the another entity which is used locally for specifically in ringworm cases, in psoriasis cases, in itching cases. This is the content of Rumex. Rumex acetosa, it is ship sorrel, gathered in June and dried, used locally for epithelioma of the face. This is said by Copperwith. Dry unremitting short cough, violent pains in the bowels, uvula elongated, inflammation of esophagus, also cancer. So Rumex acetosa, that is a depicting remedy. Rumex obtusifolius, it is also named as a lapathium, broadleaf dock, nosebleed, headache, following pain in kidneys, leucorium. But very important remedy where you can compare is the there the alludes you can compare with this, then you can compare sulfur with it, then you can compare podophyllum specifically in diarrhea cases. Dose is third to sixth potency mentioned by Boericke, but my suggestion is always I used to use 12C or 30, most commonly used potency, specifically in respiratory affections, dry cough. 12C or 30 works beautifully. You can repeat it for 3-4 days and then you can stop the Rumex. It bears the repetition. And second important thing, once it has acted and it has produced the change, it is necessary to stop because it is having a tubercular diathesis, tubercular tendency, a deep-acting remedy. So one should not forget the Rumex over there for such conditions. Time modalities not mentioned by Boericke, but must write it down that 11 p.m. and 4 in the morning, 2 to 4 a.m. These are two important time modalities one should not forget with the Rumex Crispus. So these are the very typical features of the Rumex which we have learned in today's session. Diathesis, very important, is the tubercular. These provings were made by Horton, Jocelyn, Payne, Bayard, Rees and Company. So many people have proved this drug, the Elodoc, and very useful in respiratory, GI and skin symptoms. So that's all for today. Thank you being there. Tomorrow we'll meet on Monday again with both the sessions. Thank you and good night.
Thank you, sir. Have a good night.